Hey guys, Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. This video is just to go through the strings and what we'll call them throughout. So let's get started. We'll start with the thinnest one. It's E, B, G, D, A, and E. But we'll call it, since this is a beginner program, we'll call it, starting with the thinnest string, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 being the thickest string of them all. So let's just go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll get to the tuning and the names, the E, B, G, D, A, E, a bit later. Just for now, just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 being the thinnest, 6 being the fattest.